National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois until noon. At 11:14 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ashton to Walnut, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ashton around 11:20 a.m., Pawpaw around 11:40 a.m., Shabana around 11:45 a.m., Mendota around 11:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Stewart, Lee, Compton, West Brooklyn, and Sublette, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 71 and 94. Interstate 88 between mile markers 58 and 71. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The current time is 11:07.